Hi, I'm Aidman. In my last video, we discussed the Philadelphia arbitration system, which is for cases up to $50,000. And it's a terrific system. It really helps to get a lot of cases resolved. If there is an arbitration appeal, however, or if the plaintiff files for a judge or a jury trial, then you have a judge or a jury trial. And the arbitration, if there was one, is as if it never happened. So with a judge or a jury trial in Philadelphia, as in other counties, you're going to try your case with a judge, not three arbitrators, but with a judge and or a jury. If the plaintiff asks for a judge trial, and that costs a little bit less than asking for a jury trial, the defendant can still ask for a jury trial. So even though you said, I want a judge trial, I don't want a jury, the defendant, through their lawyer, can force the issue and get a jury trial. Everyone's entitled to a jury trial, both sides. So if either one selects jury trial and pays the extra money, you get a jury trial. Whether you want it or not, you're in a jury trial. And you might want to do a judge trial because it's faster, it's easier, it's maybe less stressful. Putting on a case in front of a jury of your peers can be fairly stressful, having all those people evaluating you. Plus, it takes a lot more time. If you've got a jury trial, you've got to pick a jury, and that's going to take half a day or maybe even more. So that adds to the stress of it. And when you try a jury trial, you're going to have objections that you wouldn't have with a judge trial. A judge has seen it all, and the lawyers know that the judge is going to weigh the evidence, and the stuff that's objectionable, the judge is probably not going to consider. With a jury trial, the lawyers have to get together outside of the jury's presence and argue the motions, and because the jury's treated with kid gloves. The jury is the judge tries to keep a lot of things away from the jury if it's not stuff that should come into evidence, whereas a judge would look at it and say, you know, I'll give it the weight that it deserves. I'm not going to worry about it. So it's much more time consuming to have a jury trial. It's more stressful, but the potential for hitting the home run is more there with a jury trial, particularly in Philadelphia. And we'll talk next time about Philadelphia juries and what makes them so appealing to plaintiffs.